Now all of you. Now definitely you'll understand. All of you notice it. So just you see that now. So now current is going to decreases. For example, current is acting downward direction. So current is going to decreases. So now tell me at this point, what is the direction of magnetic field? Apply your right hand thumb rule and tell me outwards or inwards? Turning downwards, guys. Thumb is downwards, direction of current. And your all four fingers are acting into the page. So what is the direction of magnetic field at this point? Please respond. Into the page or out of the page? No answer. What I should say? Right hand thumb rule also don't know means what again?
Sir, into the page, sir.
Into the page.
Left
So imagine
side
now.
out of the page, sir.
Yes. I have been kept one coil here. So that is what? Loop or circular coil. Now, I is going to decreases. I is going to decreases. We all knows that. B is directly proportional to what? I. So
Yes,
B is
sir.
directly
We are
proportional to I. B is going to decreases. Because I decreases, B also decreases. B decreases, then what is happening? Magnetic flux also what is going to happen? Magnetic flux also going to what? Decreases. Magnetic flux is decreases or increases. What is going to happen? Current is? No answer. EMF is going to, induced current is going to happen. If current is induced, then what will happen again? Pi value going to be? Magnetic flux going to be? Increases. Magnetic flux increases, then what is happening? B also. Open your mouth. B also increases. Now can you tell me what is the direction of it? B is supporting, guys. Now supporting. Are you understanding? B is going to supporting now. So what is the direction of it? Yes. Current is decreasing. So what is the direction of now? Induced current. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Same direction it has to act. Check it, everybody. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise direction. Here decreases anti-clockwise. Here increases clockwise. Are you understand now? Please respond. All of it. That is what. So based upon the direction of magnetic field. For example, here now I put upward current and decreasing. Now what is the direction of current, induced current? Everyone. Suppose imagine same question. I put now here upwards, but it is decreasing. So now at this point it is what? Out of the page or into the page? Everybody. Out of the page or into the page? Please respond. Nobody answers. Are yaar? Apply your right hand thumb rule. At this point, what is happening? Coming out of the page. Is it right? Magnetic field is out of the page. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now in this case, if I place a one coil, now what is going to happen? Anybody can tell? Yes, please. Coil is placed now here. So now what is the direction of induced current? Anti-clockwise. Because now also what? It is decreases. I decreases means what? B also decreases. B decreases means what? Pi also decreases. Pi decreases. What will happen? Pi increases or decreases. So what is going to happen? Induced current is going to happen. Induced EMF. Induced EMF will happen. Again, what is happening? Pi is going to increases. Pi increases. Again, B increases. Now supporting. So what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. Are you clear now? Understanding? Same question. Now here, why are anti-clockwise? Here upward. And notice it. The magnetic field is acting outwards. So supporting here. So increases only. So increases. So it is direction is anti-clockwise. But here magnetic field is, the current is downward direction. So at this point, magnetic field is into the page. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So magnetic field is into the page. If the magnetic field is into the page, then again what is happening? Current is decreases. Current decreases, then B also decreases. B decreases, then pi also decreases. Pi decreases, induced current will take place. So induced current after pi increases. Pi increases, then B also increases. So it is acting what direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody. It is clockwise direction. Understand? Pradosh? Ishali?
Yes, sir.
Now, next one, if you take this one. So we all knows that from a current carrying conductor, if I am going far away, the strength of the magnetic field is decreasing or increasing? Everybody. Far away. Yes, please. I am moving with some velocity away from the conductor. Please respond. What is going to happen? Decreases or increases? Strength, imagine constant current is passing through that. Constant current is passing through that. Now, let me take at a point away, I have been placed a rectangular coil. Now, after this coil is moving with the V velocity. Do you understand, everybody? Am I audible? Now, when it is closer to the conductor, so the magnetic flux is very high or very low. Check it. Apply the right hand thumb rule. Everybody, into the page or out of the page? Magnetic field. No answer. Into the page or out of the page, guys? Into the page. Current is upwards, ra. Current is upwards means all your four fingers what? Into the page or out of the page? Speak. Speak only comes. Without speaking, never. Impossible it is. Yes, please. Mr.
Into the
Monesh,
page.
into the page. Now, it is moving with the V velocity. Yes. Monesh, not respond. Leave Monesh. Rohit, Rishi, Rohit, everybody leave. Don't want, I don't want, please. Now, the same coil has been moving with the V velocity and it has been came here. Now you tell me, strength of the magnetic field is same or decreases or increases? Everybody. Decreases. Am I right or wrong? Because why? When we are moving far away from the current carrying conductor, strength is decreases. Because we all know, just now we studied. What is the B formula? Straight conductor B formula, what is that? Mu naught divided by 4 pi into ABCD also don't know. And again, you want people make NEET and JEE. How? By A. So B is inversely proportional to A or directly proportional to A? A means away from the conductor, distance away from the conductor. Inversely proportional to A. So now, distance increases. So B is going to what? Everybody. B is going to decrease. B is decreases, then automatically who is going to decrease? Magnetic flux also decreases. Magnetic flux decreases or increases. What is going to happen? Induced current is going to take place. Now, induced current takes place. Now tell me, B decreases. So here after induced current, B is going to what? Increases or decreases?
Increases.
B is going to increases. So B is going to increases means, now you tell me, what is the direction of the induced current? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Supporting. Supporting now. Increases. Increases means what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? It is into the page, ra. So it is also will be what? Into the page. Apply right hand rule. All four fingers are direction of induced current. Now you see your thumb is acting into the page or out of the page? Everyone. Into the page. So then it is increases. That is what it is. Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Understand, everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, sixth case. So imagine again, the current is moving. I is remains what? Everybody. I is remains what? Constant. Okay. Now, there is a rectangular loop. So whose has been placed near to the conductor. So who is producing a magnetic field of okay, that is what. Now it is going vertically in the direction of current carrying conductor. So what is the induced, everybody? Induced current. Anyone? All of you. So any point it is same distance or distance is keep on going to change. Everybody. Throughout the conductor. Yes, please. If it is traveling with the V velocity. Nobody answers. This also not answer what I can say. Our distance away from the conductor, is coil is remains same or different? No answer. A is remains what?
Same.
A is remains constant. A is remains constant means B is also remains what? Magnetic field is going to change or not going to change? Magnetic field strength is not going to change. So B is remains constant. B is remains constant means theta is also what? Remains constant. Nothing it changes. Theta constant. Magnetic flux also remains what? No change, guys. Every point same number of magnetic fields will pose. So B is constant, pi is also constant. So B is remains constant. So no motion, no changes. When the current will produce, everybody, Faraday's first law. What is Faraday's first law? Relative motion. It has to be changed, either increases or decreases. It is remains constant. Remains constant means what is the induced current? B never changes. B either should increase or decrease. Then only induced current. No changes. So what will happen? Everybody, no induced. Over, chapter close. No change in B. B is not changing. Neither increasing, not decreasing. So what is going to happen? Is there any current is induced in it? No
No
current.
induced.
That's all. Okay. So do it. Sai, understanding, Sai? Mr. Pradeep? At least one question cannot answer, ra. That's the reason, ra. 10th also many of you are not secure mark. This is what? cheating. Don't want to improve. Wherever you want to be like that only, that's all. Now, imagine the next one. So this is what is the area of a magnetic field. Be very careful. Very important question. Imagine the coil is, half coil is outside and half coil is inside. Do you understand, brothers, what I'm saying? Rudresh? Yes, Monesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So initially half coil is outside and half coil is inside. So this is the magnetic field. Now, if it is started moving with the v velocity, so finally it has been, imagine it has been reached here. So to reach from here to here, definitely it will enters. Am I right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So imagine as soon as it is enters completely into the loop. So definitely it is moving. What is happening, everybody? It is moving. So moving, now we have to find initially what is happening. Half of the part is what? Outside or inside? Half is going to be what? Everybody? Outside. Am I right? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
now suddenly if it will come inside, we all knows that area is going to what? Starting yesterday, I told you, area increases, magnetic flux will, area increases, it will completely come inside. Area increases, magnetic flux will, yes. Area increases means what is happening? Number of field lines will increases. Yes or no? Once it will completely come. Now
Yes,
imagine
sir.
number of field lines increases. And number of field lines are acting with what direction? Area increases. Number of field lines, magnetic field lines increases. In what direction magnetic field is acting? Inwards or outwards? See the figure and tell. That also cannot say. Cross mark. Cross mark means what? Inwards.
Inward.
Understand it? So means number of field lines increases. Number of field lines increases means pi is going to what?
Increases.
Pi increases. Pi increases means definitely what is going to happen? Current is induced.
Induced.
So current is induced. Current is induced means then immediately pi will become decreases. Pi decreases means then B also decreases. So B decreases. So once enter into the field lines. But once it is completely enter inside, now you tell me everywhere remains number of field lines are constant or not? Because same size, area is remains. Once it is completely inside. Because I never talk about increasing or increase. Because B is remains what? I took B is remains what? Please respond.
Constant.
B is remains constant. B is remains constant. So what is going to happen? B is remains constant. The number of field lines what? The number of field lines always remains what? Wherever throughout the journey. Once it will enters fully into it, the number of field lines are remains constant. Is it right or wrong? Everybody? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Now, induced current. So pi is decreasing. Pi decreases, B decreases. Now you tell me what is the direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Not supporting. Opposite. Increases means same direction of magnetic field. Opposite means opposite. Like that's what decreases means opposite to the direction of magnetic field. Now you tell me. Cos. So clockwise or anti-clockwise? Arey yaar. Decreasing ra.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Apply hands at least. Right hand rule apply. So direction of current is this one. Induced current I dash. Induced current is this one. Anti-clockwise. Now you can see opposing decreases. Opposing decreases. So it will come what? Out of the page or into the page? Thumb. Your thumb is acting what? Out of the page or into the page? Out of the page. Out of the page means what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody. Nobody answers. Anti-clockwise. That is what you have to remember. Is it okay, everyone? Please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. Now, we will go with the next one. Examples for magnetic coil. Till here, any doubt you can ask me. So now, examples of magnet coils. So let us discuss now. So that this is only, I think, Pradosh, you studied today. So mostly it is. Let us see. Now we all knows that two poles are there. What is a magnet? Bar magnet, south pole, and as well as what? Everybody should respond. North pole. Am I right? So we all knows that outside the magnet, it will flows from where to where? North pole to
Pole to south.
North pole to south pole, and out inside it will flows from where to where? Speak loudly. Yes. Inside will goes from where? South
Pole.
north. This is all of you clear? So inside we
Yes.
don't have any use. Only outside we'll discuss now. So we'll start now, everyone. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Please be very careful. Observe very carefully. This is going to be most important one. Okay, now imagine there is a circular coil or a loop. Okay. You imagine or you want to make one it. Now magnet is passing through that. Which pole is passing? North pole is passing and south pole is opposite that. So what is happening? When magnet is coming with the v velocity, when magnet is coming with what velocity? Magnet is coming with what velocity? V velocity towards to the coil. So what is going to happen? Flux is going to increase or decrease? Open your mouth. Are you are coming close, coming close. When it is far away, magnetic field lines maybe goes like this. Am I right? Pradosh? Yes or no? Mr. Monish? No answer. All of you. When it is at certain distance, so certain magnetic fields will go out of the coil. But once it will start moving closer, closer, all the magnetic field lines will go through the coil only. Am I right or wrong? All of you understanding? Please
Yes, sir.
respond. So all the magnetic field lines, magnetic flux is going to increases. Magnetic flux is increases. Current is induces. Current induces. Flux is going to decrease or increase. Opposes or supports? Opposes. Am I right or wrong? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Opposes. Opposes means what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. Are you clear? Opposing guys. Yes, brothers. Repulsion. Am I right or wrong? Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's what. Repulsion. Repulsion means here what pole? Coil. Anybody can tell? Repulsion. What pole it is? North pole. Then automatically opposite one will be what pole? Everybody. Say respond. South pole. Clear? So that is what. So let us discuss now. So we all knows that clockwise and anti-clockwise. If it is a clockwise, what do you to say? South pole or north pole? Everybody. We all knows this. Magnetic dipole, Ra. Magnetic dipole. Don't say magnetic dipole, clockwise or anti-clockwise. South Ra, current is clockwise. Clockwise current. Clockwise current means what? It is a south pole or north pole? Everybody should answer. It is the south pole. Yes or no? If it is anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise means it is a what pole? Speak loudly. Waste try people. Anti-clockwise means what pole it is? Current is anti-clockwise. It is a what pole?
North pole.
Sir, clockwise.
So I need to beg every time 3, 4 times, 10 times. Others all are no mouth, all are very silent, all are stitched up. Simply viral like this life. I don't know. Simply sorry. This many things I am saying, not understand, at least say yes, no, something you should speak correct. Why people are all are my old students only correct? This is not fair actually. It is. So magnetic dipole, if it is a clockwise, current is south pole. Current is clockwise, it is a south pole. Then opposite one will become what? North pole. If the current is anti-clockwise, then it is a north pole and opposite one will become what? Speak loudly. South pole. Am I right, guys? Please respond. So now imagine if there is a circular coil, I will draw. This is what it is. Now tell me from the top view, it is a north or south, clockwise or anti-clockwise? From the top view you are seeing, it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody. Top view. No answer. Top view you are seeing, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Whatever you feel, you tell me. Yes. Anybody? Clockwise. From the top view, if you see, it is a clockwise. But from the bottom, if you see, it is anti-clockwise. Yes or no, guys? 10th also is to say you. So if you imagine the direction of current is passing like that, direction of magnetic field. If I see from the front view, different. If I see from the back view, it is different. Direction of current is be different. Am I right, guys? Speak loudly. Nobody answers what I should say. Yes or no? When I see from the top view, it is different. See from the bottom, it will be different. If I see from the top, it is a clockwise means. If I see the same thing from the bottom, it is appears to be what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? I'm very tired. I don't want to beg you people. If you are say, I will say so. You are having a coil. Now, this is what is the arrows I kept. Imagine this is a current. If I see from the top view, you are at the top now. You feel something. Whatever you feel, you tell me. Clockwise or anti-clockwise. So if I see from this side, you will feel clockwise. Okay. Which side? If I suppose if I am standing here and if I am seeing, I feel clockwise. Then the same, if I come down and if I see, I will feel what, everybody? It is a what? Anti-clockwise. Yes or no? Suppose if I am standing that side, And if I see this one, now it is appears to be what, everybody? Sorry, the same direction, correct. Now it is appears to be what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise from that side? That side, if I see, it is appears to be what for me? Anti-clockwise. If I come down, it will be appears to be what? Clockwise direction. Yes or no? Just imagine you take one ring in front of you and just see from the top and bottom. Your thumb you face direction of current and you see from the top and bottom, you will experience it. If not, still I will try. At least clockwise rules தெரியுமா? Clockwise current, south pole, anti-clockwise current, north pole. அது தெரியாதா? I'm asking you only.
Yes, sir.
So now, imagine everybody. So there is a magnet, south pole and north pole. Now current is in this is the induced coil. So now north pole is coming towards to it. That is what, with the V motion, V velocity it is going to come. Now you tell me, we all knows that when it is coming downwards, what is going to happen, everybody? Number of magnetic flux is going to increases or decreases, everyone? Yes, means number of field lines passing is increases. If increases means magnetic field increases. Magnetic flux increases. Magnetic flux increases means it will opposes or supports, everybody. It will opposes or supports, guys. It will opposes. Decreases. Hey, please respond, Ade. So if now it is coming. Initially also I told you. Now here what is happening? When it is little far away, imagine this is the coil. Now magnet is here. So now what is happening? Magnetic field lines are going. Very few are passing through it. So now flux is less or more, everybody? Flux is less or more? Magnetic flux, less. When this same magnet is come here, little closer to it. Now see, all the magnetic field lines are passing through it. Is it right or wrong? Please respond. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If it is coming with the V velocity it is coming downwards. Magnetic field lines are what? What is going to happen? Increases. So means flux is going to increases. Flux is going to increases means then current is going to what? Induce it. Understand, guys? Please respond. EMF is going to induce. Current is going to induced means then what is happening? Flux is going to decreases. Flux is decreases means B is also decreases. So B is also decreases means it is acting downwards. So now it will be what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody. It will be anti-clockwise. Induced current will be anti-clockwise because it has to be opposed. Opposed because increasing. Pi is increasing. So induced current is taking place. So pi is increases means what is going to happen? Just now we studied. Pi is increases means what is happening? Everybody. B is going to decreases. Yes or no? Yes. Opposite current after induced current. So that is what? The same thing now here I am asking. So what is going to happen now? The magnet with the north pole is coming with the V velocity or motion. Now what is happening? If it is coming closer, number of field lines are increases or decreases? Flux. Flux is increases or decreases? Nobody answers. Flux is going to increases or decreases? Flux is going to increases. Flux is going to increases. Then what is happening, Amma? B is also going to increases. B is going to increase means current is going to what? Induced. Current is going to induced. Induced current. Current is going to induced means then definitely what is happening? Flux is going to decreases. Flux is going to decreases. B is going to decreases. Now it is decreases. Decreases means it will act what? Same direction or opposite direction? Everybody. Opposite direction. Yes or no, guys? So it is repulsion. Repulsion means what? Up what will happen? Repulsion, decreases means repulsion. So up north pole, down what pole will come? Up north pole, down what pole will come? South pole will come. So what is the direction? North pole, top view. North pole means clockwise or anti-clockwise. At least now you tell. Now also not understand. I cannot do anything. Yes, decreases. Decreases means opposes. Opposes means what? Repulsion. So which poles will repulse? Same poles or opposite poles? Same poles or opposite poles? Open or mouth. Same poles. So what is going to happen? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody. Yes. Clockwise. Sorry, anti-clockwise. Understand, Amma? Now let me take one more magnet. Now you all will understand, you see. So this is the north pole and this is the south pole. It is going away from it. Motion. Going to away from it with velocity v. Now this is my coil. Now you tell me, if it is going away, what is going to happen, everybody? Yes, if it is going to away, south pole here decreases or increases, sir? Please respond. It is going away. Magnetic field is going to decrease or increases? Speak. You speak. You all will understand. Yes, please. It is going away, guys. So magnetic flux is going to what? Decreases or increases? Idu mattu da sollunga, please. Is going to be decreases. Will you all agree with me? Pi decreases, then what is going to decreases? B is also going to decreases. B is going to decreases, then what is going to happen? Current is going to current is going to induce. Hey, do you all understand now? Please, after this, everybody will understand this. Induced current. Current is going to induce. Current is going to increase means then definitely what is going to happen? Pi is going to. Yes, opposite correct. Pi is going to what? Yes, magnetic flux is going to what? Increases. Magnetic flux increases. B is also increases. Now, increasing. Increasing means what? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction or repulsion? Magnet is going away. Attraction or repulsion? Attraction. So who is attracted by South Pole? Anybody? North. Who is attracted by South Pole? North Pole. So means still what is the direction of induced current? Everybody. What is the direction of induced current? Everybody. Male and North Pole means that side. This side, what pole will be? Automatically. Understand now? Clear, Pradosh now? Yes? Please respond. Nobody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand everyone? All of you? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take. This is my coil and this is my magnet. Be careful now. Now you tell me. This is my north pole and this is my south pole. Now it is going away from it. Away, motion in downward direction. Going away. Going away, you have to see from the bottom. From the bottom, not top. From the bottom, it is going away. Going away means what? Pi is going to what? Decrease or increase? Going away, magnetic field lines. Pi is going to what? Please respond. Pi is going to what? Everybody. Pi is going to decreases. Pi is going to decreases, then what? B is going to decreases. B is going to decreases. Whatever changes. Changes what is going to happen? Induced. Current is induced. Understanding? So I is induced. I induced means then what is going to happen? Pi is going to increases. Pi increases means B is also increases. B increases means what? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction. So attraction means here what should be there? South or north? Attraction. South. South means opposite one, what will be there? North. So from the bottom, if I see clockwise, so from the bottom, if I see, it will be a clockwise. Is it okay now? All of you understanding? From the bottom, from the bottom, from bottom, from bottom, it is a what? From the down, from the down, it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise? Check it, everybody. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everyone. It will be clockwise. Clear? Clear, everyone? Now all of you understand? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Screen is not visible till now. Screen is visible only, correct? Is it not visible, anybody?
Visible, sir.
Oh, visible. Okay, that's what. Now all of you understand? Hey, brothers, clear now? Mr. Monish? Now,
Sir.
if this is the coil now, towards from the left side, all of you observe. This is the coil now. South pole is, and this is the north pole, and this is the direction of it. So direction of V. V is coming. Now V is coming. Number of field lines what? V is coming. Number of field lines. Flux. Flux is going to what? Number of field lines. Flux is going to what? Are coming down, coming forward, draw towards it. Flux is going to what? Everybody. Increases. Flux is increases. B is going to what? Increases. Increase means what is going to happen? I will be. I dash will be induced. Induced current. Induced current means then definitely what? B is going to be. Yes, please. Pi is going to be decreases. Pi decreases means B also decreases. Means it is supporting or that is what? Attraction or repulsion? Yes. Attraction or repulsion, ma? Repulsion. Is it right or wrong? So repulsion means what? Same pole should come or opposite pole should come? Everybody. Same pole should come or opposite pole should come?
Same pole.
So south pole will come. So south pole means from this side. From this side, if you see, it is a what? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Everybody. Yes, open your mouth.
Anti-clockwise.
Clockwise. This side clockwise, amma. From this side. Understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. From this side, it is a clockwise. Are you clear? Imagine that you are having a ring now in front of you. Your right side is your south pole. Understand, Ishali? And your left hand is your north pole. Now you see it will be clockwise. And understand?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Clear, Pradosh? Rudresh? Okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what you should understand. Okay, everyone? Now, so one last question I will teach you, then I will stop and then we'll continue. So now that is only it is. Don't take it anything, nothing will happen. So just all of you observe very carefully. Now, very, very important question. Most important. What is the acceleration? Be very careful. What is the acceleration of a magnet? Magnet in both the cases. So both cases. What is the cases means? I will say you for free fall. So what is happening? Everybody? For free fall. Both are free fall. Okay. So imagine now I have a coil. One by one will finish. Now magnet is dropped. Free fall, guys. Magnet is dropped. Magnet is dropped. Dropped means gravity is always acting in what direction? Speak loudly. Gravity is acting in what direction? Downward direction. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, when it is coming downwards, magnetic field lines is going to increase or decrease, sir? Coming down with velocity. Yes, it is coming down with acceleration. Magnetic field lines is going to increase or decreases? Everybody. Increases. Pi increases. Understand? Magnetic flux increases. B is also increases. B increases. Current is going to be what? Yes, please. Induced current. Induced current will takes place means what is going to happen? Pi value is going to be decreases. Pi decreases, B decreases. B decreases means what? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction or repulsion? Repulsion. Repulsion means it will takes place what? Opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. Yes or no? Means here north pole and down what pole will be? Down what pole will be? Nobody. Down what pole will be, guys?
So,
North pole. Down south pole and north upwards. That is what? Because of what? It is repel each other or attract each other? They will repel. Okay, that is what? Repel each other. Now you see, everybody, be careful. Now G is acting. Imagine you are falling downwards and somebody is pushing upwards. Now you tell me, you are coming with the G and somebody is dragging upwards. Now your G value will be decreases or increases, everybody? Yes, please. Let me take option A. A is equals to G. Option B, A is greater than G. And option C, A is less than G. Now, can you tell me? You are falling with the G, but somebody is dragging you back. So, automatically your acceleration is going to decreases or increases. Everybody. Very, very important, Ra. Yes. Going to be. Are you repelling, Ra? Somebody is pulling upwards. So, what is going to happen? Your actual acceleration is less than G. Do you understand, everyone? Yes?
yes, sir.
All of you? Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, same way. Now magnet is, see that, this is the coil. Now downwards. Now the same magnet is free fall. Downward direction. Free fall. Free fall, we all knows that G is also acting in what direction? Downwards or upwards? Downward direction. Yes or no? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So if it is going down, pi value is going to what? Decreases or increases? Pi value is going to what? Decreases or increases? Pi value. Going away, Ra. Going away, pi value. Going away, pi value is going to what? Magnetic flux. Going away, magnetic flux is going to what? Decreases. Yes, sir? Decreases. Magnetic flux decreases. Magnetic field also. What is going to happen? Decreases. So after that, what is happening? Current will be. Yes, current will be what? Induced. Current induced means then pi value increases. Pi value increases, B increases. So B increases means what? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction. Understanding? So attraction means here what pole will be there? South pole. And opposite one will be what? North pole. Attraction. Attraction means opposite poles. Yes or no? Yes? Again.
Yes, sir.
Now, again your acceleration is G, but somebody is pulling you upwards. So still your acceleration is what? Actual acceleration. Less than G or more than G? Everybody. Less than G.
Yes.
Understanding? Both the cases same. Most important one. Okay. So please remember that. So most important one in both, in case of free fall, whatever the situation. Okay. So A value is less than G. That is what you should understand. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So please. So last once again I'm saying you be very careful. Now be very understand everyone. So one minute, that's all. So imagine now this is my coil. All of you observe. If the magnet is coming towards to it. So Q is going to pi is going to increase or decreases, everybody. Pi is going to increase or decreases. Please respond. Increases. Understanding? Number of magnetic flux is going to increases. Yes or no? Coming downwards with the V. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Pi increases, then B is also increases. Then what is happening? I dash. I dash means what? Induced. Current is going to what? Induced. Understanding? Induced current. So once current is induces, pi decreases. Pi decreases, B is also decreases. So B is decreases means what? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction or repulsion? Repulsion. Understanding? So imagine here north and here south, for example. So now repulsion. Repulsion means up must be what? That side. Same poles will repulse. Then north and down what will come? Everybody should answer. South. Okay, that is what. Now, same figure. If the magnet is going away, north, south, going away with the V velocity. Now all of you see that what is going to happen? Number of field lines what? Decreases or increases? Number of magnet flux. Flux is going to what? Decreases. Flux decreases, B decreases. Induced current. Current is going to induced. Current induced means what is going to happen? Again, pi increases. Pi increases, B increases. B increases means what? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction or repulsion? Attraction. Attraction means here what pole? South pole, and opposite one will be what? Opposite one will be what? No answer. North. Okay. But here you see north. So it is anti-clockwise. Now all of you clear? Now at least all you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
what is magnetic coil. Brothers understand, brothers now? Sai, Monish, Rishi, clear everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
A very simple concept. If it is coming towards to it, magnetic flux is going to increases. Going away from it, magnetic flux is going to decreases. So decreases, it is repulsion. Increases, it is attraction. That alone you have to remember. So clockwise, anti-clockwise. All of you okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So already 11 o'clock, I don't want to extend it. So still there is one more concept in that with that, there is what an energy conservation of energy. That plus some numericals we'll solve tomorrow, and then we'll go with the next concept. Is it okay, everybody? All of you understand? For those now,
Yes, sir.
what is Lenz law? This
Yes, sir.
all about Lenz law only. These many things, what we studied, everything is about Lenz law. So this is very important concept for NEET and JEE and all directions. So that's the reason I'm saying. Okay, everyone, we're spending this much time because of that. So please learn, and we'll continue from here. Okay, in tomorrow's class. So please sleep and wake up 5 o'clock and start working. That is what I can say. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow.